Here's how to import Google Sheets into an existing Airtable table without duplicating records. In this example, we have a contacts Google Sheet. Each row represents a person, and each contact has a unique email address. In Airtable, we already have a contacts table with some existing records, and those records also have an email field. Our goal is to import the Google Sheet so that existing contacts are updated based on their email address, and new contacts are added. First, add the Data Fetcher extension. Open your Airtable base and click the Extensions panel. Add Data Fetcher from the Airtable Marketplace. Once installed, sign in or create a free Data Fetcher account. On the Data Fetcher home screen, click Create Your First Request. For applications, select Google Sheets. Under Authorization, click New Google Sheets Connection. Choose the Google account that owns the spreadsheet. Then click Continue. Make sure you select all the permissions Data Fetcher is asking for. Finally, click Continue again. Once connected, the account is saved and can be reused. Click Save and Continue. Under Spreadsheet, select the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to import to Airtable. Under Sheet, select the specific sheet or tab. Leave the default settings so data is read by rows and the first row is treated as field names. Give the request a name like Import Contacts. Under Output Table and View, select your existing table in Airtable. Click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will open the response field mapping screen. Here, you map each Google Sheets column to Airtable fields. Ensure the email column from Sheets is mapped to the existing email field in Airtable. Before running the import, we want to make sure records are matched correctly. Open the Settings sidebar on the left-hand side, then open Advanced Settings. Find Update Based on Fields. Select the email field. This tells Data Fetcher how to match rows from Google Sheets to existing records in Airtable. Once that's set, click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will create any new fields and import the Google Sheets data into the existing Airtable table. Records with matching email addresses are updated. New email addresses are added as new records, and no duplicates are created. Now let's enable scheduling so this import runs automatically. In Data Fetcher, scroll down to the Schedule section. Click Authorize. A window will open asking for permission to access your Airtable bases. Click Add All Resources to avoid permission issues later. Choose how often the import should run, for example, every day or every hour. Click Save. From now on, Data Fetcher will automatically re-import the Google Sheet and keep your Airtable base up to date in the background. Check out our other tutorials on importing data into Airtable. Thanks for watching.